Welcome to Konkomba study room. Anise na you attack kone Likpakpaaln abem adipone puna. Yesterday we learned the naming of people and members of a family. Funat for bay malpone anab ayembe. Today we are learning the names of people in the singular form or titles in a singular form or a plural form. Then tebateba malpone be ntwe be tuwan ayembel luamba ne kwampa bagaye ne puna. To tipi lo chenambe. Let's begin from here. Liyembel, ngiyembel, inyembel. Names. Ututum, bitutuli, workers. Usukubu, nsukubum. People, students. Ukbal, bigbal. Farmers. Umamor, bimamoli. Teachers. Uwankor, buwankoli. Traders. Bukpakpali. Carpenters. Ungangar. Bingangali, drivers. Bitumbe, apprentices. Binangpil, leaders. Nati, mothers. Bidemali, builders. This is not all. There are more of examples that can be given, but these are just few. Pambe katibake maye kekpe ba na ina momo ngatike maye ngem ngatiyengba. Thank you for listening and thank you for your time. Anetwa na plim, anetwa na yuen. God bless you and God be with you and see you throughout your activities. Omwarimbiya wo klibache na trempene ne awo momopene. Amen.